Hey Venti viewers, thanks for tuning in to our new lighting setup within the studio. So today we are talking about Final Cut Pro and audio editing in Final Cut Pro. And I thought I would do a video because Final Cut has come out with a new feature. It's been around for a little bit now, but it's so important I had to just make a video about it. It's called voice isolation. It's one click and it just fixes your audio like magically. I don't know what they're doing over there at Apple, but anyways, I have an air conditioner running here in the studio, so you're gonna hear that in the background. I'm gonna show you a couple clips with and without the voice isolation. And before we do that, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. We're almost at our goal of 1,000 followers for now. It's a small goal, but we have higher goals than that. But for now, we just want to get to 1,000 followers. So let's dive into Final Cut Pro. Okay, so we have our timeline here. I have the same clip twice. Now I have it with the voice isolation turned off and then with the voice isolation turned on. Those are the only audio corrections that I've made to this clip. So you're gonna hear some background noise and then you're gonna not hear some background noise. So let's go ahead and play this right now. Like, what? One click and it fixed. Well, anyways, you heard it. Amazing, fantastic. So it's right up here, voice isolation. We're going to apply it to this clip of me actually talking. Now you can adjust the amount as well. I find that 50% is more than enough. I personally like to add a little equalization to my clips. I like just the way that I have my microphone set up right now. I like a bass boost. And then the other thing I will do is I will go down here and search for a compressor, and we're just gonna drag and drop that onto our clip. We're gonna change it from default to voice compressor number 3. I find that that's the best one. So let's play the clip without any audio corrections, and then we'll play it with audio corrections, including the voice isolation. Okay, this is just a sample audio test. I'm just talking just to give you guys an example of the audio and the great feature that Final Cut announced. Okay, this is just a sample audio test. I'm just talking just to give you guys an example of the audio and the great feature that Final Cut announced. All right, and one last tip for you I have here. So as we can see, if we look at our audio, it's very loud. It's very red and yellow, which indicates that there's some spots that are going to clip or be louder than what they need to be. So if you hover your mouse over the audio line, it'll change to the 2 arrows up and down. If you hold down the command button and then adjust your audio, it will adjust it by 1 decibel at a time. Instead of not holding down the command button and you mean to go from 7 and move it down a little bit and all of a sudden it goes to -5. Way too aggressive, Final Cut Pro. Way too aggressive. So just hold down the command button and then you can just adjust it 1 decibel at a time. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you. Super quick, easy way to edit audio in Final Cut Pro without paying for anything extra. 1 click, super easy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'll see you in the next one. Come on. There we go.